So question number 18, which of the following statement is false? First option is an unambiguous grammar has same LMD and RMD. Second option saying that an LL1 parser is a top-down parser. LALR is more powerful than SLR. An ambiguous grammar can never be LR of K for any K. So this question, if you go to the first option itself, we can see that is a false, because the definition of ambiguous grammar is a grammar is said to be ambiguous if and only if there exists two or more parse tree for a string W. Okay, so but this is saying then then from this we will construct unambiguous definition as for W there is only one parse tree. So this is saying unambiguous grammar have same LMD and RMD. LMD and RMD does not determines the ambiguity of the grammar. The parse tree construction does. So this statement is false, but this statement is hard to be judged without some proper counter examples. We cannot judge it easily. So we will go by option by elimination. So we definitely don't know this is the false statement. So let's try to prove other options are true. So if you confirmly know other options are true, we can just arrive this conclusion. This is the false one. So option B is saying LL of 1 is a top-down parser. We know that LL of 1, that is scanning input from left to right and uses LMD. So if it's using LMD, then it's a top-down parser, because if it uses RMD in reverse, then it's a bottom-up parser. So option B is true. Now again, it's given LALR is more powerful than SLR. That is also true, because SLR, then we have LALR, then we have LR or CLR. So LALR is more powerful than SLR. So this option is also true. And option D is saying ambiguous grammar can never be LR of 1. That is true, because the only grammar that allows ambiguous grammar is only parser that allows ambiguous grammar is operator grammar. So LR grammar does not allow ambiguous grammar. So ambiguous grammar can never be part of any LR grammar. So this option is also true. We confirm that these three are true. So obviously this is the false statement. So option E is the correct answer.